today's been already a very productive day. It's 11 a.m. and I actually had to go out something for work. We're doing like some diaper distribution, so I had to do something like that. But I woke up extremely early. I wanted to get some laundry done, or at least folded. The laundry folded from like last week. It's like the most terrible thing. I never put the laundry away on time, so I wanted to do all of that. And there's still so much to do. I still have to go to the store and get shoes for the Halloween costume tomorrow. I have to do a necklace that I'm going to do for Janelle too. So many things. I want to carve the pumpkin finally today. We have the Hocus Pocus premiere, or the sequel premiere thingy live. So there's a lot of things that we need to do. So it's going to be productive. Right, Janelle? Yeah. So I'm gonna finish this whole work thing now, and then maybe go to the Target to find the shoes that I'm looking for. Get a cake mix because I'm making a cake tomorrow, and some candy because instead of going trick-or-treating, my sister gave me the awesome idea that she got from her coworker to do like a candy hunt, like an Easter egg hunt, but a candy hunt tomorrow. So I'm excited for that. I'm gonna go get some candy, and yeah, get that pumpkin carved and just get today going. It's gonna be productive. It's gonna be great. Ooh, my eye's red. Whoa. All right, so we just showered and we're getting ready to eat. Yes, we're gonna pop a pizza in the oven, and we're getting ready to watch Hocus Pocus, the sequel. So in the meantime, it starts at 8 and it's 7. So in the meantime, she is getting me ready, brushing my hair, you know. I'm gonna also bake some brownies. And yeah. And we are definitely carving that pumpkin. No matter what. Even if it's watching the movie. I think that would be cute while watching the movie. We have our Halloween pajamas on that we got at Walmart. I got this at Walmart. The Boo Crew, and then these are like jack-o'-lantern leggings. And apparently, I guess this was family matching pajamas, but they only had this. So I went with Hocus Pocus. It says Hocus Pocus, and it's so soft. It's so soft. It's so comfy. Hocus Pocus. It has like the 3 witches, the cat. It says a muck.
Porque doy cana la bruja te bruja el niño cana la bruja, toda la bruja cana el niño vaya cana el niño va dormir cana la bruja viene en el feather, so I turn a cat.
Yes, when the witch turns the boy into a cat. Vamos a ver hoy que van a hacer la bruja. Let's see what those witches do today in that sequel.
Yeah, because we have to stop that release when la bruja this release. We have to stop it.
We have to stop her, right?
Yeah. No worry, Mommy. I can fix my powers.
You're gonna fix it with your powers?
Yeah.
Cool.
We're like princesses.
Awesome. All right, so I'm gonna pop a pizza in the oven. So for Janelle, I'm actually gonna make this personal DiGiorno pizza because it's like her favorite. But for me, I was gonna use a frozen pizza that I have there, but I'm actually gonna use this. I've had this for a while already, so I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put some pizza sauce on this garlic bread and some shredded cheese and some onion and see what happens. cookie brownie.
Fluffy. Cookie
For
brownie.
me, Bobby, for all of us. For mommy.
Mom too.
Bunny, yo quiero. Alright, so we're gonna put this here. We are actually watching Hocus Pocus while we wait for the sequel to go live.
This. Mommy.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. You can do the other part. Alright, so we need
Come, Mommy.
2 tablespoons of water, 1/3 taza de aceite, and 1 egg. Ooh, your favorite egg. Oh, yeah. Sorry. There you go.
Are you ready?
2.
Two. Here you go.
The cheese. Yeah? Do you know what fold in the cheese means? Yeah? Where's that from? It is 8:10 and now it's saying 9 more minutes. So still eating pizza. This is definitely not what I expected it to be. I'm here watching the Hocus Pocus sequel. I don't know. I haven't even seen them. It's just been people talking, and Janelle's definitely not enjoying it, so I'm not gonna make her watch this. She's like, no. And I don't know. Do I want to carve that pumpkin? I think like for one day. It's like for what? We've painted pumpkins, so I think I'm just gonna leave those pumpkins. I got 2. Well, one was supposed to be for my cousin, and the other one for me. But, oh my, this is like really loud. Like, you see what I mean? Like, that is Hocus Pocus for you. Oh, man. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave those pumpkins to... I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave those pumpkins for decor for the fall, for like Thanksgiving. PJs. I don't know. Tell me what to do. Janelle, do you want to carve the pumpkin?
No.
¿Quieres hacer el pumpkin? Yeah, she really does want to. Okay, fine. We can do something fun because this is definitely not.
Mommy, this.
We're gonna do this. She really wants to do it, so I'm gonna do it.
I give it to me when I got
Quítate, tata, yo no te entiendo.
because we got where Aya gave it where at a cocina where we got one. Today we going this we got it where I gave that. So let's get started.
Let's get it started.
Let's go, Mommy.
All right, so today is a wrap. Done. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow on my last Momtober video. Bye, guys.